This is yours, right?
Supposed to be mine.
Supposed to be yours?
They claimed it.
Oh. And that truck there, that's yours.
This is mine.
So you're gonna hold it sometimes. Hmm? This is the one still working, right?
Yeah.
I like this one. I like this one, honey.
Yeah, like that one.
Yeah, this one here. This one, I put this in on a parade. I like this one. Still in good shape. They really like to chase the squirrels. Bo and Bear. It's cloudy today. These are all grain bins to put the grains when they're harvesting in the fall. Here we are here in different kinds of cultivator. Now I'm standing in here where all the cultivators na finish cultivating the land. There's a tractor needs fixing. My husband here cleaning the cedar, right, honey? Try to clean it up so that he can start seeding. Try to scoop all the seeds. This is oats, right?
Yeah, oats, yeah. Make a porridge. Make a porridge on it.